If you plan to buy something before you get out of your hotel, okay, keep some small change into one pocket. All right, if you lose them, it's not much. And remember that when you are in Vietnam, you should exchange your money or withdraw your money in Vietnamese đồng. The majority of the Vietnamese population still don't use foreign currency for their daily deals. Okay, so for example, if you buy something on the street, they would not accept US dollars or any foreign currencies. You should have Vietnamese money. And also, they are not used to credit card payment yet. Most places like hotel, restaurants, they also accept credit card payment, but you have to pay about 3% fee when you swap your credit card. And also, we are not used to credit card payment yet on the street. When you're on the street, you have to use cash in Vietnamese đồng, please. All right. And also, if you want to pay services in US dollar, your US dollar must be clean, must be straight, new and clean, no ink on that. Okay. The Vietnamese market is very strict with foreign currency. If your money is a little bit old like this, a little bit old like this, and has some scars on like this, some folding scars like this, the value is very less. Okay, or even some places they don't accept it if it's so old. But the Vietnamese money doesn't matter how old it is, it's still used. Okay.